The next part of this playlist is on the identification on whether a certain group or subgroup is cyclic. We can identify that if there exists generator for either a group or subgroup. So let's start by identifying what is a generator. So a generator is actually a certain element of the same group or subgroup that when operated with itself for n number of times, it would actually be equal to the same group or subgroup. Since here we have two different items, group and subgroup, the definition may also be stated for them differently. Now let's start with the generator of a group. Let's say if G is a group and A is an element of that group, then A is called a generator of G if, okay, this is the notation, okay, if when we operate that a certain element to itself, or in this case it's a set containing A to the power of n for all n element of the set of integers, meaning we're going to operate A to itself n number of times. If it will be equal to G, then again A is a generator of your group G. So the point here is that we can, if we can, the set generator is a set, element of the set or a group that when operated to itself will generate the entire group. So that is actually what we call as generator. Similarly, for let us say a subgroup, if H is a subgroup of group G, and let's say a certain another element, just to differentiate that, and B is an element of H, then B is called a generator of your subgroup H if the same thing, if we're going to operate it to itself, meaning B to the power of n number of times as long as it's integer, would be equal to H. So this is actually how generator is being described. So probably again, the next few videos we're going to talk about the presence or the absence of generator and what would be its implication to the group and subgroup. Thank you very much for watching.